welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing an unboxing video today. I have two kindergarten crates to open. One of them I just got right now. Another one's from last month that I didn't get a chance to open just because I was so busy. So I figured I might as well open both of them. So I'm going to go ahead and open the most recent one and then open the other one. So I honestly don't know how kindergarten crate is going to work now that I'm going to be teaching first grade. They send me this for free every month. So now I don't know if they'll send me it now that I won't be teaching kindergarten. But if they do, I will definitely be interested to see how I can incorporate all of this into my first grade class. Let's go ahead and open it. This one's pretty heavy. And okay, there's lots of things. First thing I see is a shirt. Every other month they will put in a shirt, and I don't think they had. And the last one they had was one for Valentine's Day, I think. And then this one looks like this. So this is actually a pretty cute shirt, don't you think? Alright, next thing I see is some Watchable Sidewalk chalk, and it comes with 12 different colors. The colors on the top seem like they would be pretty bright colors. This comes just in time because on Tuesday we're gonna have a water day where we're gonna, play with water and then chalk on the sidewalk and stuff like that. So we'll use these for that. Then we have some pipe cleaners. These are super neon. Then we also have a mini one-hole punch. I have never seen a hole puncher this small before. Then we have a color roll, which is just like paper, and you roll it and you draw on it, which I'm assuming is to be used with chalk. So that's cool. I mention this every single time I do an unboxing for them. They always include something for the teacher, and then this time is some organic lollipops. So they are also vegan, GF, I don't know what that means, no GMO, and no artificial ingredients. So I wonder how they taste. Alright, and then they also always include a book. The book this month is A Fine School by Sharon Creech. I've never read this book before, but I'm always super excited to read new books. And then the craft for this month is a flip-flop. So that's what you would use the pipe cleaners for. But yeah, you have a ton of copies, and they are made in cardstock, so it's definitely a more heavy-duty paper. So that is what was in the May box. Let's go ahead and move on to the April box. So this one will not be a surprise to a lot of you if you already watched these kind of unboxing videos from other people. But I still kind of want to see what's inside and get it on camera. So this one you also get a shirt, which is interesting because I thought they didn't do a shirt every single box. This one is also a blue one, just a different kind of blue. I love this shirt. This one says the future of the world is in my classroom. This is such a cute shirt, and I'm assuming this was for like Earth Day and stuff like that. Then you also get some like little tins, which I really don't know what they're for, but I'm sure I'll find out when I read the note at the end. Then some 4-inch bamboos, like toothpicks. Then you get some of these beads, and I think these are the water beads, so you put water in them and they expand, and they're really cool. You also get a puzzle that's like ocean themed. You also get some modeling clay and some flare pens. I used to be obsessed with flare pens. That is basically all I would write with throughout college, but then I kind of like fell out of love with them. But this one is just a pink and a blue pen. Then we have some certificates, and these are also ocean themed, and they just say whale of a good job. And then the last thing in this box is a book, of course, and this one is Mayday Mouse. So it looks like this. Again, I haven't heard of this book before, but I love books. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to see more videos from me. I think I'm going to be posting a new vlog sometime next week. I still have to edit that from this week. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.